are more praying
总是祈祷，
of our pranam to Sri Krishna,
礼拜是 Krishna，
of Buddhan Anuprajya. When upon door advanced stand up,
当
we are
神
more
像帮
praying.
神像帮帮
Anuprajya, when deity is going outside in procession, at that time going with him.
啊，
Going with procession, Nagar procession, deity is going outside, oh, you must follow him.
这就讲了，当这个神像要出去出游的时候的话，必须要在
Tirtha
那个
Grihe
上
Gati, go to holy place, holy Tirtha, or temple,
到圣地，
Parikrama,
神圣的河流，
temple Parikrama,
然后呢，庙里
Stop
要
part
绕拜，要做帕里卡玛绕拜，
Jop, Harinam Jop, Mantra Jop,
要拿着那
and
个，
Sankirtan,
要做持诵圣名运动，
Dhūp Mala Gandha Mahaprasada Bhojan, garland, dhūp, and smelling
smelling what
dhūp,
perfume，
deep perfume. Mahaprasad, take Mahaprasad.
那 perfume 有好
Perfume, take prasadi perfume, give him.
哦。
Then can
接
use
受
no
神像
problem.
的必须要等接受神像的这些香水的用过的香水的，然后呢香味的气体。
Aarti, Thakurji Aarti, Mahotsav, make festival, Sri Murti Darshan,
然后供奉神像，并且呢要去做
see to deities,
给神像过祭。
Nija Priyadan, if have you like some fruit,
你要发现
season fruit, give to Thakurji.
可以给要供先给供奉给
Then Tadiya Sivan, doing meditation,
做冥想，
serve him to deities.
服务神像。
तदीय तुलसी वैष्णव मथुरा भागवत ऐ चारे सेवा है कृष्णेर अभिमान सर्विंग टू तुलसी वैष्णव मथुरा
还有
and Bhagavad
和巴格瓦特，就是服务
Serving the
就是服务
Sri Krishna Abhiman, Sri Krishna like
服务马托尔圣地，服务国家瓦坛。
कृष्णार्थे अखिल चेष्टा तत्कृपा अवलोकन everything for Krishna
所有做的一切都是为了 Shri Krishna，
and always watching his mercy
总是看到所有一切发生都是他的旨意。
जन्मदिन आदि महोत्सव लैया भक्तगण call to devotees then
将来
Sri
我们
Krishna birthday Janmashtami day holy
在 Shri Krishna 的出
day
生日
in
的
this
前天，
way
然
do
后节日的时候
महोत्सव
要邀请奉献者去做节日，过节日 Shri Krishna 的节日。
सर्वता शरणापत्ति कार्तिकादि व्रत कार्तिकादि व्रत must follow Kartik
必
व्रत
须要追随卡提卡约
and Sharanagati.
Saranagati，要来
These are 64 bhakti parts.
这是64项关爱服务的
64
冥
bhakti.
想，64项关爱服务。
Sadhu Sangha Nam Kirtan
萨多桑
Bhagavad Shravan Mathura Sri Murti Sadhaya Shiva.
小的希望，
Take sadhu
首
association
先是圣人联谊，
and live with sadhu.
圣人联谊，
Harinam Sankirtan. Hearing Bhagavad Katha.
聆听国家瓦坛，
Living in Mathura or any holy place.
住在马特尔或者是
Faithful more serve him to deities.
第四个崇拜神像，
সকল সাধন শ্রেষ্ঠ
圣人联谊，
এই পঞ্চাঙ্গ
在圣地，
কৃষ্ণ প্রেম জন্মায় এই পাঁচের অল্প সঙ্গ
服务神像， 主要的，这是因为四项之中的
Mahaprabhu told 5 types of bhakti. This is the more. Already Krishna Prem. If getting little association,
如果仅仅是接受一点点的
then mood coming.
那个情感的东西，
Swajatiya Sasmiti Sadhu Sangha Sato Vari Srimad Bhagavatarthanam Aswado Rasikei Sadhu.
Could you near this mic? Because they cannot listen. Mic sound no.
Sound, give sound.
No possible. If give more sound, this sound coming.
Durhat Bhuta Vidyasmin
Okay.
Saddha Duryastu Panchaki Yatra Salpa Vishamanda Satyam Bhava Janmane. Mahaprabhu told, no need so much.
不需要很多。
If have Saddha, following bhakti process, only these 5 types of
这
bhakti.
些就5种风来程序。
Something following, surely bhav coming,
这些就一心
sadhyam,
很肯定的。
but niroparada chitta. No offense,
没有冒犯，
then bhav mood coming.
让情感出现。
Following so much,
追随了很多，
offenses life, then problem.
追随了很多，但是充满冒犯，这样的话就会发生问题。
Ek anga sadhe keho, sadhe bahu anga, nishtha vaite upajay, premira taranga. Someone following bhakti process, only one process.
一些人追随这个风来的程序，
Someone following so many process,
只追随了一项，但是其他一些奉献者的话，追随所有程序，
all day engagement, busy,
一天都非常忙碌，
always serving, following so many bhakti process.
追随了很多的程序制度。
But there are main things.
但是主要的是什么呢？就这两者之间，
Nishtha.
主要的是 nistha，
If you have nishtha,
坚定不移的。
then bhav coming.
如果有这种坚定不移的信心 nistha， 那我情感就会出现。
All day following so many bhakti process,
一整天的话追随了所有的
but no nishtha,
但是却没有坚定不移的信心，
then problem.
这个就会出问题。
Someone following one process,
一些人的话只追随一项，或者一点点，
automatically bhav coming.
自然而然的情感就出现了。
So many persons, they are very busy, no time.
很多人呢，他们很忙碌，没有时间，
They have nishtha.
但是他们有 nistha， 坚定不移的信心。
In this way, they become pure devotee.
因此，他们就变成了真的奉献者，
Like we take shelter to Guru.
就像我们脱离古鲁的庇护，
Many persons
很多人
serving
也服务啊，
have nishtha,
服务有 nistha， 坚定不移
but sometimes disturbance, problem,
但一些时候会有一些骚扰出现，问题，
going here, there.
那就到处跑了。
So like one Guru or Vaishnava.
就像一个咕噜是那瓦，
One Vaishnava, one sadhu,
一个咕噜是那瓦，萨杜，是
sometimes left Guru going to other persons.
像他们有咕噜，
But other Vaishnavas going to other persons.
然后呢就放弃自己的
No fixed one.
到瓦什纳瓦那里， 这都是没有稳定的心思，
then problem.
就是问题是什么？
In this way, devotee
因此，信者
left one guru,
放弃了一个咕噜，
going to other guru,
去到另外一个咕噜那里，
then no nishta,
就没有 nista，没有坚定不移的信心，
then have problem.
那就问题啊。
If our guru, another guru, are speaking in other things, Karmi guru, Jnani guru,
如果我们的
then going to Vaishnava guru, there is no problem.
如果你的咕噜是卡米果报活动的咕噜，或者是知识者的咕噜，或者是这些普通的世俗的咕噜，那你去选择一个瓦什纳瓦的咕噜，
Like we have
那
seen,
就没有问题。
so many devotees.
就像我们看到很多奉献者，
First, took shelter, took initiations,
接受了这个
followed the guru.
一些接受了这个启迪，然后呢追随咕噜，
After some times,
结果过了一阵
left guru,
放弃了自己的咕噜，
going to another person
去到了另外一个人那里，
and following him.
然后追随另外一个人，
No nishta,
没有 nista 的表现，
no guru nishta.
没有咕噜 nista。
In this way, who is helping, who is giving mercy?
所以谁能帮助，谁可以仁慈？
Oh, I am taking shelter to one Vaishnava, coming, sometimes living, after then going another place, another persons.
对啊，就像一个客人一样，哦，这个在这个咕噜的门下歇一阵子，然后呢，待一阵，然后又
Many persons they are giving me example.
再去歇一阵子，
Like one lady
然后呢，就是总是，
got married,
然后这个很形象的这个，
one person.
我就给一个非常形象的例子，就像一个女士，
After then divorce with him,
先跟一个人结婚，
then he went, she went another person,
离婚之后去到另外一个人，
got married another
又
person.
去另外一个人那里跟另外一个人结婚。
In this way, one by one, we are coming and going left and right.
就这样的话，
One person, then going
跟
another
那个人
person.
离婚，又去另外一个人那里又结婚，所以就这样离婚又结婚，结婚再离婚。
So they are giving me example. They are speaking.
他的表现就有，
This is like prostitute's life.
他当女士的生活就有这个
They call prostitutes.
社会称为是妓女，
What is saying?
所以呢，妓女是怎么讲？
Same way they have no nishta,
所以没有 nista，没有
no seva mode.
没有服务的顺序，没有秩序，
In this way problem.
所以就出问题。
Then their bhajan sadhana everything lost.
因此他们的发展萨德纳就会丢失，
Their mood not coming.
情绪都会丢失。
They are moving here, there, so many places.
因此他们就会
In this way, their mind not happy.
飞走，因此他们不会感到快乐。
Like Sri Krishna spoke in Srimad Bhagavad Gita,
所以于是就在国家梵歌之中讲到，
Bahu Shakha Jhanam Tasya Buddhayo Abhyavsayi.
比较喧闹，
Vyavsatmika Buddhi Rekeha Kurunandana. Nisyatmika Buddhi fixed mood only one.
非常稳定的心绪只有一个。But you know, like inside have Shiksha Guru and Diksha Guru. And so many people spoke this is Shiksha Guru. Shiksha Guru can find so many Shiksha Guru.
Shiksha Guru, no problem.
But this
We
is
have so many Shiksha Guru in Bhagavatam already spoke. Like Guru Dattatreya. He had 24 Guru, 24 Guru.
我说到
All
就
are
是新
Shiksha.
式咕噜和启迪咕噜，
He learned
也
from
可
them.
以讲到有很多的新式咕噜。
But he never left his Guru. Many persons,
Who Chobis Guru
Dattatreya,
达底啊，就在博萨瓦唐修当的这个东正者叫达达底啊，他有24个咕噜，
he learned
他学习
from everywhere.
他学
So
习
many
这
gurus.
经典知识都是从不同的咕噜那里。
But question of life, many persons left one guru or going another guru. It is some problems.
Now what is different? In Srimad Bhagavatam, this person have 24 guru. But he told, I'm not left any guru. I'm studying this, study from this guru, then again study from another guru, again going to another guru. This 24 guru.
Learn,
Yes, learn.
but he never neglect first guru.
He never
I
left
learn.
first guru.
I study in school,
Yes,
so first I am going to primary school.
yes.
Primary teachers, they learn.
所以我问他的区别，是国家晚餐里面讲到的。
After that, I
这
have
个
gone
他们
to
4个咕噜。
higher class school.
我说那和普通的就是我们遇见的情况，就是从不同的咕噜那里接受训示，学习的话有什么区别？他说，
I am going to high
像
school.
一个例子，你首先
After
小学
that,
然后之后有
college,
再是高中、
university,
大学。
then there are different gurus.
所以你从小学、中学、高中、大学，
But who teach me
就
primary teaching?
是老师。但是在这些老师之中，
I never neglect him.
起了最重要的作用。
I give respect.
那这个人的话，就永远不要放弃，
Same way,
而且永远不要忽视，永远
following to one by one other persons. Okay, good, no
同样的
problem.
就像是你追随这个人的教导，又去另
But
外一
many
个人，
times
又去另外一个人那里，但是
left one person or forgot him,
但是
neglect him,
所以讲到这个问题的时
then
候，我们
going to
从这
another
个人那里
person.
学习完之后，又去另外一个人之后，那里学习就忘记了上一
In
个
this
人。
way, so many difficult.
因此的话就会非常，
Then he has no fixed mood, no nishtha.
这样的话就没有意识到，
Then problem coming.
这样的话就会发生问题。
Trouble mind going here, there, so many persons.
很大的问题，很大的麻烦会出现。
In this way, move him. That time, they are not happy.
因此的话，到处游走，也不会感到快乐。
एवं सिद्धि पाइल बहु भक्त अम्बरीशादि भक्ति बहु अंग साधन. So many devotees, they follow one part of bhakti. In this way they got.
人的话，他只接受了父母的一部分，就是一部分。但是他
And many persons, they follow so many process.
但是很多的人追随很多的程序，
In this way they are going up.
那他们就
They got bhakti.
这个他们，they are
Like
going out or they got，
They got like Ambarish Maharaj. He did so many types of bhakti. In this way, he got bhakti bhavsiddhi. And Parikshit Maharaj only hearing Bhagavad Katha.
所以就讲了，有一些人的话只追随一个，就像他的
Vaiyasaki Sukdev did
国
kirtan.
家瓦坛，然后呢得到了八无西地。
Prahlad Maharaj did
另外一个
meditation.
人的话做了很多的奉爱程序，也得到了。
Lakshmi Devi serving to Narayan.
Lakshmi Devi服务Narayana。
Pratham Maharaj only doing archan.
总是崇拜神像，是崇拜神像。
Akrur only prayer to Sri Krishna.
阿库鲁只向水不上献上祈祷文。
Kapilpati Hanuman
哈努曼
service mode serving.
个人的兴趣服务，
Arjun only friendship mode.
真的只是这种朋友之间。
Bali Maharaj only offer his heart mind.
那巴利马拉就只是皈依供奉自
In
己，
this way they got Sri Krishna.
所以他们都得到了水克什纳。
They found this bhav mode.
他们发现了，他们找到了这个奉爱的东西。
Kamtani Krishna Vaji Shastra Gyamani. Dev Rishi Pitri Gane Kavunahini.
奉爱的完美。
When they left all selfish desire,
只有当放弃
following to Sri Krishna,
去跟随神。
At that time they have no debt.
这样的话，他们就没有
All debt finished.
这样所有的钱。
Otherwise, when living in material life,
那另外一种的话，
they want debt,
就是说
rishi debt,
就
Pitri
欠缺很多
Purush
债，
debt.
欠很多的祖先的债，
So many
这
debt.
些利息、圣哲的债，还有很
All
多债。
that finished when they are following to Sri Krishna, following Krishna.
在这里的程序只有完成了这归依是 Krishna。
Vidhi dharma chari bhaje Krishna chara, nisiddha papachari tar prabhu nahima. When left all things,
能放弃
only following to Sri Krishna,
只追随 Krishna。
then they have no sinful life.
只追随 Krishna，他们都不是普通的生活，
And they left all prohibited things.
他们也放弃那些所有禁止的事情。
अज्ञाने बज यदि पाप उपस्थित कृष्ण तरे शुद्ध करे ना कराए प्रायश्चित. If devotee's life, any sinful life or were coming, then become pure. No need prayaschitta. Devotee's life, no prayaschitta, nothing.
尽管是奉献你的生命，在练习中爱的时候也会出现问题麻烦，但是不受干扰。
The devotee is already become pure.
奉献也会通过这些事情来自然变得洁净纯净。
Okay, tomorrow again we are speaking.
明天的话继续。
Gaur Pramanande Hari Hari Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama